Well, time for another video. Um, we've got one wall framed up back there, front wall, 2x4s, and now I'm working on the bathroom floor, which is in pretty rough shape. As you can see, what we have repaired over here. So these two columns hold the ceiling, held the roof and the second floor, and they weren't even touching. So you have to be careful where you walk. Obviously, I'll show you downstairs. I'm just starting to. I get 2x10s here, 2x8s, and put up a temporary support here under the floor. So my plan is, these don't even touch. I've just scabbed on some pieces here to hold that wall from caving in. But my plan is to get rid of this post and put 2x8s on both sides, fill in here, bolt it together, and then it can bear off the cement wall. Same over here, and that'll give me a flat surface also. Then to put 2x8s going across with hangers. So it'll hopefully finish up in here somewhere and be a very strong floor. So this is what we replaced yesterday. Cut the old one out and put which had been replaced before, put another one in, and new boards up top. Like that. That's the old one.